in my last video that we will be staying in Hawaii for the next 5 weeks, and as I walked around the house today, I got to thinking a lot about minimalism in a big house. Because many of you know we live small in a one-bedroom house that's less than 500 square feet. But what are the rules for minimalism? Do they kick you out if you go over 1,000 square feet? Or if you have too many bedrooms or bathrooms or throw pillows? What exactly makes a home minimalist? To me, minimalism is a tool that allows me more of what I love in life. It's about clearing out anything that I don't use, need, or get actual value from in my life right now, so that I can close all the unnecessary tabs in my mind and instead live more mindfully and presently and connected with the people in the world around me. For my personality, home is a really important place. What I think matters about home is the way it makes us and the people in them feel. I see and read a lot about minimalists who travel the world and live with a backpack only because they desire deeply to experience everything everywhere. But to me, I love minimalism because I'm a total homebody. It's a starting place and an ending place, a living space, a resting space, a place for gathering and just being alone, where I feel totally at ease, where we're free to be ourselves and just loved for it. The last thing that I want home to be is a burden, stress in an already stressful world. That's why I don't keep things just in case, or have extras of things in boxes or bins or drawers that need organizing and reorganizing and moving and cleaning out on the weekends. I want home to embrace me and slow me down and set me back in the flow with who I am and what I'm up to in life. The only way I know to create a home that feels like that is to ruthlessly get rid of all the excess. I love this quote from the Minimalist. There's no real minimalist rule book. What brings value to my life very well could get in the way of yours. Further, the things that once added value may not continue to add value. So we must constantly question not only the things that we acquire, but the things that we hold on to. The average American home, I read recently, contains an overabundance of stuff. They say about 300,000 items. And this stuff often gets in the way of a life-giving home. This yard, I think I've said this 10 times now, this is why we rented this house. Check out this yard and this whole wraparound deck situation. Oh, you're picking some fruit, huh, buddy? The truth is, those just-in-case items piling up in our homes are just sitting there, creating visual clutter and a long list of to-dos weighing us and our weekends down. Or in my case, they weren't items I needed at all. Mostly they were things that I subconsciously thought that holding on to would make myself feel better about the wasted money that I had spent on them. I think you'll be surprised at how much stress and overabundance of material possessions can cause us and our homes. The first step of creating the life that you want is to get rid of everything you don't.